I will never form a political party. Neither would I take a posture that seeks to oppose the African National Congress. I will never do that.
Today, we are launching an organization.
And we can tell you now, Zuma will go to jail.
Yes.
We want to see him suffer until the end.
We do not agree with the sentencing. It is extremely out of order and it is emotional.
We want to see him suffer.
President Zuma is a first offender. He's a former statesman. He's 79 years old and he's got no criminal record. All of that should have been taken into consideration.
We're going to fetch him from the village straight to Hoshimampuru prison.